In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the keypad from the Nova model ATM. This procedure is a little different from the other Genmega lobby model ATMs because of the light box that surrounds the keypad. So, before you can remove the keypad, you must remove the LED keypad cover. Let's get started. It's not necessary to remove the screws that hold the front bezel upright. However, I prefer the flexibility in being able to move the bezel forward while accessing the keypad cover screws. Remove the screw holding the grounding cable to the top of the sliding tray. Next, unplug this cable which provides power to the LED lights from the main harness. The other cable similar to this one can remain in place. From the top, remove the first of 3 screws that will hold the lighted keypad cover in place. Now we need to move down to the floor for the rest. Unplug the cables going to the keypad and unwind this wire tie from the side of the keypad cover. Remove the 2 lower screws that attach the keypad cover to the back of the bezel. I'd really recommend a magnetic tip screwdriver for these lower screws. They're really hard to get to. They're on the inside edges of the bracket and they're easy to drop. With the 3 screws removed, you can remove the keypad cover from the bottom. With this cover removed, you can now remove or replace the keypad using the 4 screws that hold the keypad bracket to the back of the bezel. To replace the lighted keypad cover, follow the previous steps in reverse. Place the cover back over the keypad, using the grounding wire to hold it in place. Install the lower screws. These can be tricky to get started. With the 2 lower screws installed, replace the keypad cables and attach the wire tie on the side. Now, back up to the top. Replace the last screw for the keypad cover. Reinstall the cables for the LED lights. And reattach the ground wire. If you remove the screws holding the bezel upright, reinstall those before closing the top. Bring the machine back in service and make sure that the lights around the keypad are functioning. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.